Alright, so you are a faggot. Oh, straight my hair. Oh, no, fuck you. I'm cool because I have snake bites. Oh, and a septum piercing. I'm a cool kid. You're obviously just a faggot, and the rest of the scene kids are faggots, as well as you, faggot, faggot. Need I emphasize it enough? Here we go again. Faggot, 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 faggot. You suck cock. It's obvious. I mean, look at you. And how can you say that kid talks weird? Listen to you. Alright, one more thing. You're a faggot. I think that sums up my rant. Faggot. You are a faggot.